Hey YouTube, welcome to my channel. A motor flush on a 3.5 Nissan Maxima. We have some excessive lifter noise, especially for starting. Quiets down quite a bit after a good 20-30 minutes of running. So we're going to try this Motor Medic motor flush. Say that 10 times fast. And some synthetic oil. And we're going to follow the instructions on this. See if it makes it quieter, does nothing. Who knows what's about to happen. I'll start it up for a good 30 seconds or so, let you guys hear the lifter noise. It's pretty loud. I can't really tell if it's coming from the front or the back. So we'll see what happens. Okay, this is the motor running. I just started it with a whole bottle of Motor Medic in. So we start the 5 minutes. Motor Medic says run for 5 minutes before you do your oil change. This stuff actually looks a little bit like transmission fluid, but watery. So, see what happens. Won't make you guys watch the whole 5 minutes, just the first minute and a half or so. There hasn't really been no change in sound or anything in the first couple minutes. Getting a little bit quiet. Reaching the 2 minute mark. Quieted down a little bit. That's a good sign. Nothing's blowing up on me. So about the 2 minute mark, it quieted down a little bit. Go ahead and let it do its thing, and then I'll start it back up after I do the oil change. Okay, now we're back. I did the motor flush, the Motor Medic, put the new oil in, did the oil change, and now we are going to find out if it works. Still just as loud. Same lifter noise. Basically, Motor Medic. Garbage. Don't buy. Does not quiet lifters. There you have it.